Hello everyone. I decided to learn networking through creating a chat application. Now first I will start the server, which is running in a virtual machine on Debian. And then I will start my first client, which is running on the host machine on Pop! OS. And we will name it Linux. And then I will start another client on Windows in a virtual machine and name it Windows. And you can see that they're both connected now. And I will send a message. And then I will send a message from the Windows machine. And as you can see, those were sent and received. Now another thing I implemented was being able to type exit to leave the server and to type clear to clear the chat history. And the chat history is stored on the server, and it's just a text file. So I will type clear to clear the chat and exit. And as you can see, I disconnected from the chat. And then if we want to check the chat to see that it was cleared, I'll join again. And you can see that the chat history is cleared. And then here is my GitHub, which has instructions on how to set up both the client and the server on the different machines, and some of the things that I used for development and resources for making the server. Now let me run through the code. So here is the client code, and it connects to the server using the IP address of the server and port 9999, and then you put your name in, and the server formats that to where your name will be before any message, and then it gives you the list of options. And then this connects a TCP socket, and then it starts a thread. Since there can be multiple users, it needs to be handled through threading. And then this sends their messages, and the receive messages function decodes the messages and prints them to the user. And if the user types exit, then they will leave the server. Here's the server code. This is naming the history.txt file, which is on the server. And then we create a class TCP handler and store all of the connected clients in an array. And then when someone joins, they will be added to the clients array, and then it will show that a new person connected and broadcast that to all of the users. And then this try while loop section will read messages from the client and format the messages with the sender's name. And then if the user types clear, it will clear the history.txt file. And then it will, when someone sends a message, it will save the message to the history.txt file and broadcast that message to all of the clients. And then here are the functions that do that. And using threading, we can handle multiple clients. And then the server listens on all of the available IP addresses at port 9999. And the server will continue running until it is shut down or someone presses Control C. Thank you.